Hello and welcome back to my craft room. Yesterday my January Bargain Bead Box package arrived, so I'm very excited to open it. It's only my second one and sadly it's going to be my last one. Luckily for me, a couple of my viewers pointed out last month that the shipping costs to the UK have gone up hugely from $2.99 to $18.18. So essentially the shipping is costing more than the subscription itself. So although I loved it, it was December was the first one I had. I absolutely loved it, and it was a real bargain, but it's not such a bargain when you're paying as much in shipping as you are for the actual goods. So for people watching in America, I think, got a feeling the shipping's, I'm sure I saw free or certainly an offer for free shipping to within the States. So yeah, so lucky for you. I haven't found anything quite like it here. I might try a couple of one-off bargain assortments from eBay or something like that, and also Deborah Beads here, who's based in Colchester, quite near to me. I have her monthly bead boxes. I shall continue to have them for £5 each. You can't go wrong, and she's going to do some custom ones for me where I'll say, right, give me 20 quid's worth. So we'll see how they go. But yeah, let's get on with let's have a look and see what's in here. I've resisted the temptation to open it, so let's go straight down to the desk. Enough of me waffling on. Now I've brought the camera right down to move my coffee out of the way. Brought the camera right down, so hopefully you'll be able to see. So here's how it arrives. Although you think of it as it's Bargain Bead Box, it doesn't come in a box, which is fine. Oh, that's a teary thing here. Oh, that nearly worked. Okay, let's have a look. Now last time, although there was this handy sheet that told you everything that was in there, the print wasn't very good. Oh, and I think they've still got issues with their printer. There's this sort of faint patch down the middle, but at least it's legible this time. So this one's called Romance. Passionate red hues form the basis of our colour palette this month, with accents of purple and pink. Highlights include genuine garnet, crackle agate. Oh, I don't want to read all those. Let's not look yet. We email contact details and everything, which is handy. I did contact them about the whole shipping arrangement, and they explained that they weren't happy with the couriers they were using before, and the couriers they're going to have to use now are just so much more expensive. Oh, to be fair, it's still only the 20th of January and I've already got my January package, so that's good. But yeah, and I just didn't get that. They did apparently let people know by email. I didn't get that. Maybe it's because I'd only just subscribed, so I don't know. But anyway, so I'd already this one I'd already gone through, so I'm going to enjoy this last one, and I'm sure I'll still get my money's worth. It just won't be such a bargain. Just let's have a look. Oh, I love how even the bag matches the colour theme. Beautiful. Very, very different from last month, which I haven't had time to do anything with. So last month's was all blues and silvers, and yeah, absolutely beautiful. Loved it. This month the findings are more copper coloured. Have a look at it. Right, okay, let's just go in there. So all of the little packages have numbers on, and the corresponding number on the list will tell me what it is. Let's go for this one first. This is a 16-inch strand of 6x4mm crystal Rondelle beads in scarlet. Catching the light, twinkling away beautifully there. Yep, they're lovely. There's quite a few beads on there. A 7-inch strand of 8mm. 7 inches, 8mm. We're mixing our measurements there, aren't we? 8mm crackle agate. Dyed stroke heated round beads. Cherry red. That is a beautiful red. They do look like little berries, don't they? And I like how each one looks different. That one's got quite a lot of white marbling through it. Oh, They're lovely, aren't they? Yep, like them. There's another smaller round bead here. These are like little berries as well. So this is number, now is that 6 or 9? No, it must be 9 because 6 is toggle clasps. So approximately 7-inch strand of 4mm shell pearl man-made round beads in coral red. Wow, I didn't know you could get pearls, man-made or otherwise, in red. Yeah, they just look nicer in real life than they do on camera. On camera they look almost like they could be just normal glass or plastic beads, but in real life, yeah, they've just got a lovely finish to them. Approximately 17-inch strand of 3x2mm crystal Rondelle beads. Flirty mix. Flirty. I suppose, thinking about it, this must be where they've done it. You've got time to make jewellery for February with Valentine's Day coming up. You could do other things as well, but you certainly could do that. These are lovely, aren't they? Now, is that going to focus? There we go, finally. Yeah, they're lovely. A lovely mixture of matte and really twinkly, and yeah, lovely colours. Yeah, they're beautiful. For 16.5 by 9mm floral man-made coral, in inverted commas, barrel beads. They do have that look of coral, don't they? They look like hand-carved coral or something. Nice, they'll make lovely focal points. 7-inch strand of 3x2mm. I can't make it out because it's garnet something faceted Rondelle gemstone. Or is that all one word that I can't make out? No idea. No idea. They need to get the printer fixed. But whatever they are, these are now my new favourite out of this pack, I think. Oh, just look at the way they catch the light. Oh, I'm going to be able to make a lovely, well, a few lovely things with this. Beautiful. So this is a 7-inch strand of 8mm purple aventurine round beads. Now that, it doesn't look purple. No, it doesn't really look purple. You know, I wouldn't look at them and say, oh, they're purple. But they're a very pretty shade, or shades. They certainly fit in with the general colour theme. It's this big rose or something. Oh, I'm feeling all jewellery-ish now. So this is a carved rose man-made coral, so same as man-made coral in inverted commas, same as these. Rose, oh, and there's a hole through the top. Isn't that lovely? What a beautiful focal point that's going to make. 42 by 39mm pendant, and this is lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. It's important to know for some people who have allergies to these things. Got a feeling I'll be keeping all these myself though. What I'm planning to do is pull my finger out, get some of this jewellery made up, and get my Etsy shop going again. So watch this space. Even when I actually get round to it, I'll let you know. I've had to learn some new editing software this week as well. Oh, I need a little bowl for these because they're not on a string. I'm so used to everything being on a string. Look how pretty. Now that was number 11. 40 4mm faceted cubic cylinder crystal beads, Alexandrite shimmer. Very, very pretty. It reminds me of another stone, what's it called, amethyst or something, which is one that I know. I don't know Alexandrite. It looks like the inside of one of those crystals, those stones where they've broken it open and you can see the inside, doesn't it? It's 1 metre, a 3mm steel Rolo jewellery chain. Again, lead, nickel, cadmium free. Nice chunky chain. I like a chunky chain. Nice long length, enough for a couple of necklaces there, I guess. Or a necklace and some multi-stranded bracelets, which is something I love to do. A chandelier focal component, 60 by 40 focal component. So right, yes, so you'd have that at as the center point of your pendant, and then you can hang other things off it. Oh, it's gonna be fabulous. Oh, I'm gonna have fun with that, aren't I? Medallion drops. So they're really pretty. So they've got that lovely little motif on one side, and then it's kind of bezel on the other side, which I guess you could put little flat backed gems into, or whatever. Just thinking what else you could put in there. I wonder if there's a way I could personalise that by putting little letters in there. I could make little Fimo pieces. 4 pieces, 22 by 19 chandelier links. Right, yes, so similar idea to this big one, but a bit more delicate. Lovely. By choice I usually go for silver components. I'm not keen on gold colour findings. I do like brass and copper colours, although I know some people have a problem wearing them, don't they? But they are lead, nickel and cadmium free, so that's good. Now what are these called? 13 4-loop links. I guess just links between pieces of chain, so you could link the chain to it, and then you could also put beads off it, I suppose, or yeah, or you could use them for multi-stranded bracelets or necklaces where you had 2 pieces of chain coming off either side, I suppose. Yeah, this is one of the reasons that it's nice to have these kits, because it does make you try things. Oh, I love these kind of clasps, these toggle clasps. They're so much easier if you're trying to, especially if you're trying to put them on yourself on a bracelet, you know, it's so much easier to do that one-handed than try and grab hold of a jump ring with a lobster clasp, I find anyway. And I think they're really decorative as well, so that's nice. 20 pieces crystal faceted rectangle beads, vintage rose, AB. Oh, Aurora Borealis. One of my viewers told me that once, because I didn't know. I think that's because of all the different lights and colours that they throw out as they catch the light. Yeah. So you can see pinks and orange and yellows and all sorts coming through there. Very pretty, and that'll be a nice mixture with some of these other pieces. 25 by 15 faceted quartz teardrop pendant, dyed raspberry. Pretty, very lovely shade of red. Looks like fresh blood. 50 corrugated bicone spacer beads. It's always good to have some spacer beads. In fact, if anything, I probably wish I had more spacer beads. They're lovely. I find spacer beads very useful. And you never seem to have quite enough of them. Oh look, suddenly we can focus there. Look at that. Yeah, 4 petal bead caps, again in that lovely copper colour. Left a few in the bag there. So let me go close up again. Yeah. They're nice quality. And last but definitely not least, these look beautiful. What number is this? 18. 10 pieces, approximately 10mm, enamel coated glass beads in pink and cream. Very unusual. I've not seen anything quite like these before. They've sort of got a pattern on them, but it looks almost random. There we go. They're lovely, aren't they? Yeah, they kind of, it looks like floral patterns, but yeah, almost accidental. Organic looking, yeah. Oh wow. Oh, I need to get my jewellery making head on, because I've got this and I've still got last month's as well. So that is my beautiful selection for January. Right, I'm gonna spread all these out so that you can see everything. Right, so there's a final look at the selection. Don't know if the camera will let me. It's beautiful. It's a lovely collection, and I'm going to be able to do loads with that. I'm just thinking, if it was still costing me about £21, I'd be thrilled to bits with that, as I was last month. At £26, I just feel, I know it's only an extra £5, but I don't know, it's just that little, it's just, yeah, it's just too much. It's just a step too far. So this will be my last one. I've cancelled my subscription, but if I was living in the States, I would definitely be keeping up my subscription for this. I think it's a bargain. Even though it's called Bargain Bead Box, I really think it is. Unfortunately, shipping costs are prohibitive in this case. So that's all I've got to show you at the moment, but I do really need to make some time to have a play with all these beautiful things, and the box from last month as well. I want to stress that I love the box. I just wish the postage wasn't so prohibitive, because I would definitely be keeping up a subscription. If you're in the States, check them out. I'll put a link in the description box. Anyway, so thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed that little peek at the January 2022 box, and I will see you really soon and show you what I make with some of this. See you again soon. Bye.